কোনো ধরনের পদক্ষেপ নিয়েছেন কি? ও পুষ্টির ব্যবস্থা ব্যাহত হচ্ছে।
Honorable Chairman, I have already answered to his question. Please will you tell me clearly so that I can answer it to you. To answer with a question asked by the Honorable MDC. The ADC is running 6 ICDS projects. Out of that we have got 1,250 centers. We have substituted 38 nurse workers and 101 helpers. Therefore, here question does not arise. With the lack of staff, the nutrition of children is hampering. Thank you.